So, hello, once again I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always I'm recording locally and streaming today on Twitch service. Let's check out the stream if it's working properly. Let's nudge the page, let's poke it. Poke. Yep. And the sound, perfect. So, with this out of the way, let me show you the system information. Once again, we are back in MX Linux 25.2, also called as Infinity. You can pause the stream or later on the video when it will be available on my YouTube channel. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 1440p or 2880 by 1800 if you prefer, running at 120 Hz. And I'm recording and streaming in this native screen resolution, but 30 FPS. So yeah, I'll leave it one moment more and then I will go away from here. So let's go in the OBS settings. Let me show you the OBS settings. Here we are, video, native screen resolution, 30 FPS. Using hardware encoders for the audio is FMPEG AAC and for the video FMPEG VAPI H264, 16,000 bitrate, and the file is MKV. And as I said the other day, I'm trying to rise the system. I think I have found my error, but I'm not sure just yet. We will get there maybe on the video tomorrow, but until then let me show you what is MX Linux 25.2, first by using DistroWatch. And here we are, MX Linux, a desktop oriented Linux distribution based on Debian's Stable branch, is a cooperative venture between the Antix and former Mepis Linux communities. Using XFCE as the default desktop with separate KDE Plasma and Fluxbox editions also available, it is a midweight operating system designed to combine an elegant and efficient desktop with simple configuration, high stability, solid performance and medium-sized footprint. And this is the official website. More or less it says the same things. MX Linux is a cooperative venture between the Antix and MX Linux communities. It is a family of operating systems built by users from Debian Stable repositories that are designed to combine elegant and efficient desktops with high stability and solid performance. MX's graphical tools provide an easy way to do a wide variety of tasks, while the live USB and snapshot tools inherited from Antix add impressive portability and remastering capabilities. Extensive support is available through videos, documentation and a very friendly forum. And yeah, they have plenty of good information, and they have also this MX technical documentation wiki table of contents all about hardware, help files, yada yada yada. Plenty of good information to be had, so pay attention there and keep reading. And all things considered, the system has been rock solid. I had my how can I say this, my battles regarding the rising, but other than that, no problem with crashes or even silly notifications here and there. Speaking of notifications, yesterday while I was using my cursor factory to change, for example, a cursor set, I wasn't seeing any notifications. And this is something that I want to check now. I think it was solely on the fact that the notifications were disabled or something. So let's try that again. Let's go and do a cursor change. Let's go and use my Swedish breeze for now. Apply. And yeah, it should have a notification pop up here. It didn't come up. Is it here? No. So let's turn this off, and boom, here it is. Cursor settings updated successfully. Relog or restart the system if any app ignores the change. So yeah, as you can see, it was these silly notifications being on do not disturb. And let's go back in yellow red, boom, and boom, the notification message. So at first I thought that I did something wrong, but it was just a silly toggle in the system. So yeah, speaking of silly stuff, let's change to some other wallpaper. This is not silly at all, I love it, but let's go in something else. Let's go like 1310, something like that, boom. Let's take it from here. And yeah, I tried to install Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21 and everything went fine. You can launch the app via the terminal, of course, or via the application launcher, application menu. Let's do that now. I've tried just a handful of things, nothing insane, so let's do that now. It's basically a 4K timeline with my native screen resolution, 1440p content basically, that I grabbed with the OBS, and this is what happened. Hopefully you are seeing this. A project of about 6.5 minutes. It took about 3 minutes and 45 to export as an Apple ProRes file, which is humongous. If you are low on space, this is a no-go. And yet again, when I tried to export on H.265 and using the QuickTime file format or MP4 H.265, both times it failed. So eventually I will get around and solve this issue, but in the nowadays, let's just say it like this, nowadays I don't have plenty of free time. We will see in the near future or something, but until then let's see how the system performs. So switching between tabs here, edit, fusion. Keep always in mind that I'm recording and streaming right now in native screen resolution, and all things considered, this performance in a system with integrated GPU, I find it good. I must be honest, I find it good. Well, I'm not a professional you know, video editor, and then again, I guess a professional will never buy such a low-cost system. But anyway, let's see how it performs while streaming and recording. Oops, the volume is a bit loud. Okay, better. So I'll jump ahead, and as you can see, no problem at all. It's like almost instant play. And let's go now, for example, in Fairlight. Let's go back a bit and then play again. No problem at all. It's like next to instant. Let's just call it, if not instant, next to instant. I will gladly, if I was nowadays DaVinci Resolve Studio user, I will gladly use it in this system, no problem at all. But anyway, let's go back, for example, in color grading, and let's try to play something again. Zoom in a bit. Went back, it plays just fine. Moving forward, plays just fine. Again, forward, play, just fine. Yeah, for half a second or something, and then everything goes well. Keep always in mind, I think I'm not using any proxies here, just the timeline. Yes, it's full resolution. So if you find the performance lacking in this system, if you have a similar system or this one, and you want to run Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, for basic stuff I think it's just fine. And even when you are trying to install, the company Blackmagic warns you that this system is fine for basic stuff, but do not expect anything crazy. So I agree with that statement, sounds about right. but still, as you can see, no problem at all, regardless of the section of the app. Yeah, great performance. All things considered, great performance. Yeah, just fine. And I don't know if I will try to, you know, put effects or something on the timeline, etc. But no problem whatsoever with the app. Installation, setup, everything went fine. The performance is fine. Mission accomplished then. And the thing is that, how can I say this? I really want to move ahead. I really want to, if possible, tomorrow to see if I'm able to finally pinpoint the issue and fix my rising issues, my theming issues, my customization issues. And if I will do that, then most probably the day after that I will try to complete the guide, and yeah, most probably after a day or two I will move to another Linux distribution, which I don't know which one is going to be. I will see, but I have so many candidates. No shortage on that end. Even by visiting the previous ones that I have used before, even that will give me still plenty of options. Anyway, I think this is it for today. Hopefully I did not forget something, as I always do. Yeah. If you are enjoying what you are seeing, if you think you are learning something, if you want to catch up with my guide regarding MX Linux 25.2, follow me and subscribe to my streams, Kick service, Twitch and YouTube service. And if you are a fan of YouTube in general, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, a question, whatever. I'll be glad to have you as a guest. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!